Hello friends, I am Dr. Rasaib Kerappa Shalke, Assistant Professor of Acharya Zavdekar College of Education Gargoti, District to Kolhapur, Shivaji University Kolhapur, Maharashtra. I am expressing here my views about the ongoing FDP. गोखले एजुकेशन सोसाइटीज SMRK BK AK महिला महाविद्यालय डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फिजिकल एजुकेशन and Nashik in association with SNDT Women's University organized a very nice wonderful national online faculty development program from 23rd May to 29th May 2020 on multidisciplinary approach to quality enhancement in higher education. I am firstly thanking to all organizers for such a wonderful organization of the faculty development of program. In the inaugural session, Principal Dr. Deshpande Madam and Dr. Nikhila Bhagwat Madam told in brief about the faculty development program. After that, first session on mind power for higher performance, Dr. Kavita Kolgade Madam, Director of Physical Education, SMRK BK AK Mahila Mahavidyalay. Dr. Kavita Madam conducted on mind power for higher performance. I really excited after the reading of the session topic because I am a teaching psychology of education. So I listen carefully Dr. Kavita Kolgade Madam's speech. Madam nicely explained this concept and really appreciate her talk for higher performance. After that, on Sunday 24th May 2020, session second is on research methods used in social sciences. Dr. Lokesh Sharma, HOD Microbiology, RYK College of Science, Nashik. Dr. Lokesh Sharma sir gave a very nice information in total about the research methods used in social sciences. I am also social science students. Sir explained very nicely. In third session, second sessions part 2, research aptitude test conducted by Dr. Nikhila Bhagwat Madam, IQAC coordinator of the SMRK BK AK Mahila Mahavidyalay, and also Madam is a FDP coordinator. In this session, Dr. Nikhila Bhagwat Madam also nicely conducted a research aptitude test. After this test, we are all participated students introspected on our research aptitude. In second session, MOOC courses, the new learning platform. Dr. Manoj Killedar sir, former director and associate professor, School of Science and Technology, YCMOU Nashik. This session is very useful for the present situation. Dr. Killedar sir nicely presented effectively. He gave a lot of information about learning, teaching concept, flipped classroom, course structure, and development of MOOC courses. Sir also explained the EM learning concept. Sir's information is useful for all faculty for the development of MOOC courses in future. Very nicely conducted दर केलेला सर. Session 4 is on free digital resources for research. Dr. Rajendra Kumbar sir, HOD, Library Science, University of Pune. Dr. Kumbar sir is very nicely presented various digital open access resources for research. Dr. Kumbar sir detailed explained Google Scholar open resource. He explained a Google Scholar in detail how to use in research and professional development. He gave demonstration on Google Scholar very nicely. We learned a lot of on Google Scholar from the Kumbar sir. Uh, Sir is very nicely conducted this session. Session 5, how to obtain research grant. Dr. Vivek Bobde sir conducted this session. HOD Department of Chemistry, RYK College of Science, Nashik. Sir Vivek Bobde sir explained what is research, how to prepare research proposal for research grant, and which points are considered in research proposal. Weightages in the rejection criteria. This is also useful for preparing proposals for a research grants. He also told about various research grant agencies in detail. After session 4, changing practices of physical activity for life physical literacy perspective. In this session, very nicely and interestingly, Dr. Shraddha Naik, Director Physical Education and Sports, SNDT University, explained and how to make fit and healthy, explained by Madam very scientific and research basis information about physical literacy. I lastly I thanks to all organizing committee, especially Dr. Nikhila Bhagwat Madam for such wonderful organization of faculty development program. Thank you.